Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add multiple users in HostSinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your HostSinger account. Then click on this little icon, profile icon on this corner and select account sharing. Now, make sure to click on grant access first. And here you will see users that have access to your account, and to add a new user or to add multiple users in HostSinger, just click on grant access. But since I will invite this email address, I need to first delete it, copy it, delete. Now to add another user to this HostSinger account, click on grant access. Here, fill in the email address of the other person that you want to invite. Here, select the permission roles. You can select between admin or collaborator. Admins can manage services and make purchases using added payment methods, when a collaborator can only manage services and can't make purchases. For this video, I will add this email address as a collaborator. Here, if you have multiple web hosting or add multiple services on this account, select which service you want to add or you want to invite the other person for. In my case, I only have this single business web hosting, so I will check it, or it is already selected for me. Now click on grant access. Access email has been sent to the invited person email address. So I will go to my Gmail inbox to show you the email message that the other user will receive. And this is the email. As you see, it is titled you've been invited to collaborate, invitation to collaborate. This email message, or the owner of this email address, the HostSinger account owner with this email address has invited you to collaborate by sharing access. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my HostSinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with HostSinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like HostSinger Website Builder or HostSinger Horizons, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. The HostSinger account owner with this email address has invited you to collaborate by sharing access to their account. Accept the invitation by clicking the button below. Note, this link is only valid for 48 hours. Let's click on this accept invitation. But before that, I need to log out of this account to see exactly what the invited person will see. Click on accept invitation. If the invited user already have an account on HostSinger, all he needs to do is to using this invited email address. All he needs to do is to log in to his HostSinger account with the same email address and fill in his password, then click on login. If the invited user does not have or does not own a HostSinger account with this email address, he needs to sign up by clicking on this link. It's a simple process. Then he will get access to your selected HostSinger service. And this is how to invite this is how to add multiple users in HostSinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.